Okay, how about another instrument practice problem so you and me can study and pass our instrument written exams? So this question reads, a pilot receives this ATC clearance. Cleared to the XYZ vortex, hold north on the 360 radial left turns. What is the recommended procedure to enter the holding pattern? Well, from this I can see there's some key features. For one, they're telling us it's left turns, so we're going to make sure to note that. We're going to hold north of the fix, and we're going to be on a 360 radial for our inbound leg, and we'll intercept the fix with a course of 150 because that's what our figure 114 is showing right here on the HSI. So the gray triangle here is the fix that we're looking for. From the question, we could gather that we're going to stay north of the fix. And when you're looking at this pattern, you can tell it's turned 90 degrees over, where 360 degrees radial is here. So this is going to be north, this is east, this is south, this is west. And if that's the case, you can see that the holding pattern is north of the fix. We also know that we're going to take left-hand turns, and you can see as these triangles represent, we're making left-hand turns as we go around each turn. And as the question indicates, we're on the 360 degree radial and we're inbound to the fix. So with that being said, we can then trisect the holding pattern into its three sections. We'll do that by basically drawing another line that's 70 degrees turned into the protected area from the radial we're supposed to hold. So 70 degrees plus 360 or 0 is 70. So we can draw our line through here, can then extend out the other end from the reciprocal of 70, which is 250 degrees. And then when that's done, we have our three areas. We have our parallel, our direct, which is anywhere from this side, and our teardrop. And then the last thing we need to know is where our airplane is. Where are we coming from? Well, since the HSI says we're on a course of 150 degrees, we can then draw basically an arrow that is going on a course of 150 degrees to the fix. That's also going to be the 330 degree radial of the fix. And we know that because 330 is the reciprocal of 150. And we can see that 330 is in between 250 and 070. So we know that we're in the direct region. We can also see that visually from just being in this region approaching a course of 150, which if we were to go through the fix would be between 070 and 180. So this lets us know that we're over here on this side in the direct area. So I'm going to go with answer C, direct only. All right. So we got that one right.